Okay, it's Michael V here with Hypertherm Plasma Cutting Systems again, and now we're going to be working on a differential. Typically what happens is a lot of the times you'll need to take this spring perch and either remove it and reuse it, but you'll typically remove it to move it inwards or outwards depending on what you're doing on a custom car. So in this case, Mike's going to be modifying this differential to be used in a Wrangler, and we need to remove this perch and this shock mount. So we're going to go ahead and gouge it out, use the gouge mode on the PowerMax 45, and we're going to go ahead and try it right now. Okay, now for any of you that have done this kind of work, it's a lot harder to do that with a grinding wheel and or other means than it is with gouging with the PowerMax 45 plasma. So you can see how easy that is. Try not to cut into the housing, and in this case we might save this. Mike may use it for something else in the future, so that's the objective. Just try to clean out the weld, wash out the weld, or another term they use is scarfing, so we're trying to scarf the weld out. Okay, so I've made a few passes right here with the gouging tip, and to try to remove the weld on both sides, and I've got this thing pretty much broken loose now, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off and show you the result. We're able to do minimal damage to the differential housing, and we also were able to do pretty minimal damage to this piece. We can actually just touch that up with a sanding disc, and you could actually use this again if you wanted to and just weld right into it. So that's the purpose of gouging. It certainly makes gouging or scarfing, it certainly makes life a lot easier than trying to get in there with a grinder and so on. It's just a little quicker and a little easier to deal with.